Hi and welcome to this walk. We're in Bourton on the water and walking along the peaceful River Windrush. It's quite a cold day, but nevertheless the sun's out. There's not too much wind today, so let's enjoy this walk. Bourton on the water is also known as Little Venice, as you can see from the little bridges that span the Windrush. There we've got some ducks going past. It's now mid-morning, so the crowds are just beginning to grow. This is a very popular tourist destination. There are several car parks that you can use. There's one just past Birdland, and the other one is Bourton Vale Car Park, is the one that I'm actually parked in, and I paid about £6.50 and that covers me for 4 hours. There are some cheaper parking around, especially the pop-up parking. I think on this particular day there was one at the leisure centre which was £5. Bourton on the water is not too far from Stow-on-the-Wold, so you've got other attractions and other towns and villages that are quite close that you can also construct a day to visit other places. As we get along this particular path, you'll see more and more cafes and shops, and this little walk will end at the Motoring Museum. I think one of my first tips that I would say to people is always make sure you can get here as early as possible, and do expect on sunny days, especially weekends and bank holidays and during the summer holidays, that this place is going to be packed out. Being on the tourist trail, it's also very much popular with the international tourists as well. You'll often see bus loads of people turn up here. It's a nice little place here on the left hand side, the Little Nook, just hidden away, recessed in there. And that's what you'll find with the Cotswold towns and villages. They're really great for independent shopping. And here we see more of these little bridges that the Bourton on Water is famous for. Pretty much like you to hit that like button if you like what you're seeing, and of course put anything down in the comments section about me doing a voiceover. This is obviously the first time I've done this. I'm not coming at this from an angle where I'm going to give you loads of history and every single detail. I just want you to get an overall feel for the place. and it is worth looking down these side streets as well. This walk is just really down the actual Windrush River itself. And across the way there you can see the high street. I'm going to cover that in another video so you get a closer look at the shops that are available across there. So a few of the attractions that are here in Bourton include Birdland, the Model Village and the Motoring Museum as well as all the local amenities for refreshments and shopping as well. This video was taken in mid-April. So we're in the middle of spring here, and to be honest, it's been an awful spring here in Britain so far. There's been very little sunshine and plenty of rain. So today we've picked a really good day to have a look around. The Victoria Hall there on the left hand side. These little bridges provide a great opportunity to take photographs. And obviously you've got local wildlife as well, the ducks there we just passed. We'll just have a look down the side street here. Some really popular shops down there, including a perfumery. The great thing about this river here is it's so shallow, you can see the bottom and the water's ever so clear as well. Now as we come towards the end of this walk, we're going to cross over this bridge in front of you, and I'm going to show you the Motoring Museum, or at least the front of it. Let's get the comments going and tell me whether you visited Bourton or not, and whether you've got any secret hacks or little places that you like to go when you're here. But it's a nice little setting here where the museum is. Have you actually been inside the museum? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.